Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we have this small Titan padlock from Slovenia. It's a pretty cute little lock. The shackle is made out of hardened steel, body is brass, and it's a 4-pinner lock. As you see, this bitting is not bad at all. We have deep cut which protects those other cuts. So cute little lock, and the one thing which is very good for this size of padlock is that it contains at least one security pin, which is not oftenly seen in this size of a lock. It's 25mm or maybe 30mm padlock. It's really small lock, usually used for mailboxes and low security applications. We'll see what it takes to pick this lock open. I'm going to use this thin tension wrench from windshield wiper, made out of windshield wiper, top of the keyway tension, and let's first try to gain full set. There it is, we have a full set. And again, we have a full set. I don't know, do you see it or not, but I'll try to pick it. Nothing for now. Nothing. We're gonna go again. There it is. We have a full set. There it is. We got this lock open. It's pretty long time, 3 minutes for this lock, but as I mentioned in previous videos, picking from the camera and watching out for correct focus, because when my tension wrench, when my thumb is so close to the camera focused the thumb, and the lock is a bit blurred, so I had to change angles, so it all affected on time needed for picking. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.